at Nuke the Fridge Con here at Frankenson's Collectibles in the City of Industry, and I am with the famous Vernon Wells. Vernon, what are you doing here today?
As little as possible. Actually, I'm here signing autographs. As you can see, there is a crowd of thousands around my table, and I'm just waiting for them to thin out.
You are waiting.
Yes, definitely.
They're all over the place. There are some stormtroopers I see in the distance. So tell me about your movies. What movies were you in? What have you done?
You want me to tell you?
Yeah, tell me.
I thought you were the interviewer.
Oh,
actually, I will be.
Now then,
and exactly what are you doing here?
Oh, well, I am here with Channel 305 on ToddHD.com, and we are interviewing all these wonderful stars like yourself for our TBC network on the Kelsey Grammer online television.
So that's not stripper TV or something?
No, sorry.
I never did the good ones. Actually, you were asking about the films I've done. Road Warrior. Commando with Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Love that one.
Inner Space, Weird Science. I think I'm up to 107 now.
107?
107.
Wow. That's very good.
Yeah,
Are you having fun today?
I'm having a ball.
Okay, good. We'll keep having fun. Maybe later, when we're off. Okay. Take it easy. Come down and join us.